Welcome back to Carnivore's Corner. Stick around. Today, let's make some mini taco appetizers, or you could even serve them up as a dinner or whatever. So here we're just adding some ground beef to a pan. Just going to brown this ground beef. I figure with Cinco De Mayo coming up, this would be a good one. This recipe's super quick and really easy to make. It's also delicious. So just break that ground beef up. Make sure that pan's on like medium high. Not only is this quick and easy to make, but it's super affordable too. You probably already have all the ingredients laying around. That's what I had. I just had this ground beef and figured we'd make something out of it. So there we go. It's brown. Now we're going to add the taco seasoning. Use whatever kind you like. I'm also going to throw in a nice heaping tablespoon of garlic. We're going to stir that all up. Now, if you don't have any ground beef, you have some ground chicken or ground turkey laying around, use that too. It'd probably turn out just as good. Here we go with the garlic in there. Let that go just a little bit longer. There we go. Give it one final stir, and we're going to pull this off the heat. So next, we're just going to come in with our tortilla chips. Make sure they're circle ones. Any broken ones, feel free to dip them in some of that ground beef and eat real quick. Just spread them out on the sheet tray here. They kind of have a natural curve too. So you can just lay them down so you can naturally fill that radius up. So after we get them all down, we're going to come in with some refried beans. I got the chorizo flavor. I recommend you do too. Here we're just going to spread a little bit of the refried beans on every one of them chips. Now we're going to be doing these on the Traeger today. I got that preheating at 350. But you could do these right in your oven. Say you're up, preheat your oven at 350. It'll come out just as good. So after we got all the refried beans spread on the chips, we're going to come in with that ground beef. Just top each one with a little spoonful of ground beef here. I told you this was real easy. So after you got all the ground beef on, next thing you know, we're coming in with some cheese. I'm using a mix here of cheddar and Monterey. But use any good melting cheese you like. So now here we got them on the smoker. Like I said, 350 degrees. We're going to leave them on for about 15 minutes till the cheese is nice and melted. We're going to take them inside. We're going to hit them with a little bit of like Southwest salsa with some black beans, tomatoes, red onion. Now let's have the taste test. So here they are. I just plated them over some cilantro lime rice because I'm just eating this for dinner. But this would be a great appetizer. Here's what they look like individually. Especially with Cinco de Mayo coming up. That's it. I mean, it tastes like a little taco. It's good. And that chip, you can actually fold it up. Still got a little bit of crunch to it, but it's a little soft. Like I said, real simple, real easy. Thanks for watching.